Okay, once again, I'm back. This is Randy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am retro-briting more product. I keep getting it sent to me, so might as well do it on video. It's a beautiful day out, so I'm going to get this done. It looks like I've been sent Legos. Yes, a bunch of Legos. Interesting. So I don't even know how to apply it to this. I think I'm going to put it inside of a baggie and shake it around with the product. I am going to keep several out so you can see a before and after, but they do look very yellowed. I did not know Lego would yellow like that, but it did. If you take a look at it. So let's get some. We are going to get the sink running so I can wash them off. I'm going to pull one of each side, one of each size. Well, not one of each side, but I'll pull several out. Let me just pull two. We'll keep these two out as a control. I will put my soap in my sink. And I will take all the product and just dump it in. I'm just going to do a quick mix around. Like I said, it's just to get any oils off of it. Pull the drain. Do a quick rinse. Like I said, simple dish detergent works great. Drain it a little bit faster. All right, all the soap seems to be off of them. Let's let it drain out. Come right back with them spread out on drained. Okay, I'm going to drain these out. Put them along the towel. You know, if the machine is put together, you can just get the Lego and paint it over the sides of it. And that'll do everything you need to do, because a lot of the times the inner bricks won't be in the sun, so they won't get discolored. Let's take these now. Get one of our bags. This is why I like that I have bags that have stuff in it. I don't know what that is. And while this is in the sun, I will be probably every couple hours shaking it around. We will get our Retro-Brite product here. It is on my my description. If you can, click on the link if you want to get it. It's $19.99 on Amazon. It just helps support my page, even though you can search it on Amazon. But if I do it, I get credit for selling it. So I appreciate you guys helping the page and clicking on my link. Take it. Pour a bunch in. Still got plenty in here. See how this works. We're just going to let it lay in the sun. We'll flatten it out. And we'll be right back. We're going to take our Lego. Say hi to the doggies. Say hi, Mage. Hi, Tux. Say hi, Coco. And here we are. Just going to spread them out. And every couple hours, spread them. And then we'll see how she looks after about 8 hours. Okay, time for the Legos. They look good. Wow, they actually look great. This is only a 6-hour soak. Get this this up on here so I can wash them off and we can see it. Wow, they look brand new. Rinsing it off. All right, what I'm going to do is I'll just dry 2 of them for now. And I'm going to put them next to 2 of the blocks that we left out for our control. Yes, the control is 2 that weren't done. So we're going to put that there, and that there. And then we're going to get our controls that will be right there and right there. And you can see the whiteness. Yep. Nice and bright white. Old and yellow. Crazy. I wish my light was a little bit better because honestly, I would show it off. Let me see if I can find a better light. Hold on. All right, there they are side by side. Let's get my light on it. You know, the light really can't tell. But I can tell you, they are definitely yellow to the right, and they are white to the left. Let's see if we can get closer. What a difference. So, my final thought on the Retro-Brite with the Lego, I'm impressed. I used this to turn this into this. You know, I don't know if my lighting is that great to show it, but man, you can see the huge difference. I honestly, truly recommend Retro-Brite. A 6-hour soak, and this turned into this. Yellow to white, clean, and it wasn't even that long. I have product that I have to do longer when they're extremely yellow, but the Legos seem to really respond. I wonder what a colored Lego would look like. So, badass product, man. Check it out, Retro-Brite.